I said in this one Upanishad में क्या है, started became spiritualism. You know that is what is the spiritualism? Yes, tell me what is spiritualism? पहले अच्छा मुझे बताओ, Vedas are religious aspects or spiritual aspects? Vedas. Yes. It is in a transforming from religious to spiritual aspects. Yes or not? Upanishad is in a transforming from religious to spiritual. And then Brahmana, just tell me first. तो इसका मतलब कि आज भी हम लोग कई रिलीजन को किसमें हम लोग डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? सो उपनिषद वेदास के समय का है, इट इज एन स्टिल ग्रोइंग, इट इज व्हाट? एंड देन द लास्ट टाइम अल्लाह, अल्लाह से आप याद रख सकते हो, अकबर में लास्ट टाइम अल्लाह उपनिषद, इट इज एन अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट? ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट इज एन रिलीजियस टू स्पिरिचुअलिज्म. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें आप लोग क्या रखते हैं, इट इज एन कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट ऑफ वेदास. वेदास का कभी कंक्लूड हो सकता है, बताओ? आप समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? सो वी हैव टू व्हाट इज एन मेकिंग इट इज एन स्पिरिचुअलिज्म. तो वो तो अलग चीज है. ऐसे दैट जस्ट मैंने दिमाग में आया तो आपको बताऊं कि क्या चीजें होती है. बेसिक्स जानोगे देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. कि ब्राह्मणास क्या है? जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज ब्राह्मणास? क्लियर कट मीनिंग ऑफ वेदास. एंड व्हाट इज अरण्यकास? One word में याद रखें, philosophical touch. Understood? And Upanishad it is transforming religious to spiritualism. Religious to spiritualism. Understood it? And then Upanishad it is still growing. And the last one it is during the period of. So I said that. और हम लोग कहाँ पे थे? किस कारण से यहाँ घुस गया मैं? And then sorry, Guptas. And then during the Guptas, lots of Upanishad also grown. Understood? Not only architectural, not only sculpture, not painting and music, dance, but it has been grown also Upanishads. The famous Kalidasa. And therefore it is known as, कभी आ जाए प्री में, मेंस में आ जाए, यूपीएससी का कोई टारगेट नहीं है कि they can ask the question from where. So it is in a lots of things which has been grown from the Vedas till what I said that. So many architectural, visual arts and performing arts. Therefore we said that. And Gupta's age is from the 300 to 550 AD. 300 AD to 550 AD. And then in the after the Gupta's, just tell me who came? H for Hunas and H for Harshvardhana. H for Hunas and H for. And then Hunas came and then returned back also. And Harshvardhana remained over there and he is a great follower of Mahayana. He is a great follower of Mahayana. And thereafter Hunas के हर्षवर्धना के बाद, so Hunas from is 550 to 600 AD, and then I said that Harshvardhana 600 to ऐसे 606 to 647 मत जाना, OPSC will never going to ask. So I am giving you a round figure, you can understand, I can remember. And North India, Rajputas. Very good. And after that, Rajputas के बाद, just tell me 1206 to 1526. Who is there? Delhi Sultanate. And who is the first Delhi Sultanate? Slave. खाली हाथ आए, तुम तड़ाक किया. Yes. And then शादी किया, लोड करके मार ले गए. Slave खाली, खिलजी. Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, and then Tum Talaq, Tughlaq, and Shadi for Sayyid and Lord for Lodi. Can you remember? 1500, 1206 to 1290. Who is there? Slave dynasty and 1290 to 1320. Just tell me. Khilji and 1290, 1320 Khilji and 1320 to 1413 Tughlaq. The large period. Tughlaq is in the large period, and 1413 to 1451. Sayyid and 1451 to 1526. Just tell me. Lodi 15. Last edition 1451 to 1526. Lodi. And after that there is a coming of Mughal Empire. And then again Delhi Sultanate has shown. Who has in the Delhi Sultanate has shown good amount of architecture development and other development? Slav and ये सारा चीज आपको आएगा. जितने भी आर्ट एंड कल्चर आप देखोगे, एवरीथिंग इट इज कमिंग ओवर देयर. देन आई सेड दैट हु इज देयर? टेल मी फास्ट. Slav and Khilji you can be able to see in the Khilji empire. आप he reached to Tamil Nadu. Malik Kafur, if you have heard about. He is an eunuch, Hijra. Understood? His name is also known as Hajar Dinari. He purchased from the, what is an after gifting Gujarat in Hajar Dinar. And it has been also said like, what is an Alauddin Khalji in love with him also. And therefore, ultimately, usne usko maar diya. Finally, he has covered till what? South Tamil Nadu. You can never expect that this kind of power. The Khilji has lots of wealth. And if it has a lots of wealth, what will happen? There will be art and culture development. And thereafter it has been what? Ruined by whom? Tughlaq. It has been ruined by whom? So suddenly architecture and art culture developed. लेकिन लो क्वालिटी, पैसा था लेकिन थोड़ा सा था, therefore low quality development has been taken place. And thereafter Sayyid, nothing. Lodi, little bit. Understood? And then Mughal Empire is in a what? Real development of so much of what I said, that architectural development, and if you come to the Aurangzeb, so much development, but Hindu related thing has been highly destroyed. Understood it? So we have seen like this. And now next one I said South India. In the South India, if I say, I said संगम एज. याद रखते चलना. एंड एक बात ध्यान रखना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हिलना नहीं. तो मैं तो जो देना चाहता हूँ वो भी नहीं, क्लास से एक बार भी नहीं हिलना, चाहे आपको कुछ भी आए, प्रेशर भी आए. जस्ट व्हेन आई गिव द गैप, देन यू गो एनीवेयर. I am teaching you not only because of this, I am teaching you so that you can understand the architecture flow manner, you can understand art and culture. If you do not know the particular picture hall, how can you see the picture over there? You can't see. You will move here and there. So I have to show all the places where they are. So I have giving an idea about the whole India. And then I said that Sangam age in the north, 100 BC to 300 AD. Who is there? Yes. 200 BC to 100 BC. समझ में आ गया आप लोग? तुरंत फंस गए. 200 BC to 100 BC. Sungas and Indo-Greeks. And 100 BC to 300 AD. Yes. Kushanas, Sakas, Satavahanas. Understood? So during that period from 300 BC or 200 BC to 300 AD, 200 BC to 300 AD, there is a Sangam age. What is there? What is there? And in the Sangam age, I said that 6 and 5. 6 and 5s. And 6 को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? 6 and 5 हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? पांचों. प्लूरल है 5s. 6-4 Cheras, 5-4 Pandyas, and 4 Cholas. So which are the rural kingdoms under the Sangam age? Tell me. Cheras, Pandyas, Cholas. Who are there? Tell me first. Cheras, Pandyas and Cholas. 6 पांचों. 6 पांचों under the Sangam age. Understood? Shall I remove? Do it fast. Kerala. This side is the Kerala side. It is in a Cheras. There is a Pandyas and then there is a what? Cholas. Understood? Which age I am talking about? Sangam age.